Do you support Obamacare as it stands now?
Yes.
Given the divisiveness that we have seen and are seeing right now in our political system, do you think that Obamacare is worth the divisiveness that it has caused and frankly will continue to cause?
We've had plenty of divisiveness about all kinds of things in the country. Just take slavery to start with. About women's right to be equal to men. All kinds of divisiveness about that. We've had it about the FDIC. I mean, you can't make a decision based on immediate reaction of people to the introduction, which is admittedly very messed up. But that will pass. We have not gotten to the place in our medical system that we need to get to. But this is an improvement over where we were. But we've got a long way to go because we still have these huge expenditures relative to GDP for medical care, and that puts us at an enormous disadvantage against other countries in the world. The real question is it better than what we had before? And then once we have it, can we keep improving? Because we still need a lot of improvement in our medical system.
A new CNN ORC poll that just came out showed 71% of Americans say that economic conditions are poor right now. Only 29% of people say that they are good. There is a huge disconnect. The S&P 500 just hit a record high. Sure. There is a huge disconnect between people that do not feel included in this recovery, this stock market surge. And I wonder, first of all, what do you think that does to this country?
Well, I think the degree of inequality is our big problem in the United States. But we have our economy is far better off than it was 4 years ago, or particularly 5 years ago. But the improvement started 4 years ago. And just look at auto production. Housing has come back significantly. Those are huge factors in the economy. But it has not been the pace people would like. But the economy is coming back today as we talk. It was coming back a year ago. It'll be coming back further a year from now. But we had a very severe wound in the fall of 2008. We had a blow like this country hasn't felt since the Great Depression.
Is there anything that can be done that takes more of the people along with it? Because we still have job growth in this country that is weak. It's just not enough jobs are being created every month.
Yeah. Corporations, business is doing very well in this country, and a large segment of the population is not riding along with it. There's no question about that. The Forbes 400 have a combined net worth of over $2 trillion. That's more than 20 times as much as 30 years ago. So the disparity between the people that are doing well and a whole lot of people that aren't doing well has widened. There's no question about it.
Is there anything that can be done?
I think there will be things that are done over time.
Like what?
I think there'll be things done in the tax code. The American economy will do well over time.
Well, I mean, we all know what you would like to see. You would like to see taxes raised on the wealthy, probably
right.
Pretty significantly. Would that change the equation for a lot of folks?
Well,
would that help those?
It was certainly, there were much higher taxes on the wealthy 30 or 40 years ago when the economy was moving at a very rapid clip forward.
And is that the biggest significant change you think needs to happen, is an overhaul of the tax code?
No, the biggest problem we have, and it's complex and I don't have all the answers on it remotely, but a market system which works wonderfully in terms of turning out more and more stuff. As the country becomes more specialized and the output of the country becomes more specialized, it leaves behind more and more people. That's the nature of the market system. So in terms of the bottom 20 or 30% being able to command the kind of rewards from a market system that you would hope they would get with an economy that's prosperous, it isn't happening. And we have to learn how to deal with that problem.